Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. My dears, how are you? Are you fine? Are you safe in your home? How is the last class? Have you studied it well? I believe that you have studied the different types of flowers and you have found out the names of described flowers. Okay? Yes, today we are going to discuss the second chapter or second point in our GK textbook, which is trees, types of forest. Types of forests. Have you seen forest? I am pretty sure that all of you or most of you have seen the forest. If you are in Karulai, then you may see the forest nearest in Karulai, Nedungayam, and if you are in Nilambur, there is forest, Teki Museum, and Kanali Plot, and such likes. Okay, there are different types of forest in our world. Okay, we are going to discuss or we are going to study the different types of forest. Needless to say, the functions of the forest or trees. If there is not forest, then our life will be in danger. Because the pure oxygen we breathe will be, it is given by our forest. Okay, so if there is not forest, then our life will be in danger. So we have to protect the forest. We have to save the trees from any attacks or from any calamity. Okay, yes. Types of forest. There is a description at the first. Forests are formed by densely growing trees. Yes, trees are the very important in the forest. And plants and various type of shrubs. There are three types of plants. Which are there? In the forest we can see there are mainly three things, which are the trees. First and foremost, trees. Then plants. Then various type of shrubs. You have realized the difference between plants and shrub and the trees and plants. Okay. Then the trees grow in the different geographical and climatic conditions which make each forest unique. Okay. As the difference of the place, the nature or the habit of the forest may be different. Okay. It is very important. 1/3 of our Earth's land surface is covered by forest, which regulate the climatic condition. Which regulate the climatic condition. Okay. If you take the 1/3 of our Earth, please cut our globe into 3 parts. Then one part of the Earth of land surface, not the sea or the ocean. Okay. If you take the land surface of our Earth and piece into 3 parts, then the one part of that land should be forest. Okay. There are different types of forest. In this chapter we are going to discuss 8 types of forest. I will read it very quickly. You have to realize. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, first one, evergreen forest. As the name indicates, this type of forest is evergreen. Every time it will be in green. Okay. Yes, I will just read. Evergreen forests are seen in both tropical and temperate zone. Okay. These trees do not shed their leaves. That is because of that it got the name evergreen forest. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone. How are you? Have you taken your breakfast? Okay. Needless. I am very happy because most of you have studied the classes and you have found out the answers of our question. Yes. Today we are going to discuss about arthropods in insects and reptiles. Okay, it is a very important chapter in our GK, our periodic test will be come in not too distant future, so it is very important in our examination. So please study it well. We are blind to the existence of the commonly found creatures and the story of their lives. Yes, you have no any idea or any knowledge about the creatures or the small animals around us. Such commonly found creatures are discussed below. Here we are going to discuss commonly found creatures. Okay, identify and fill in their names. That is, as we discussed about the flowers, here there are some identification. So we have to find out the name of that creature. Okay, are you ready? Yes, it is very simple because these are commonly found in our nature, in our surroundings. Okay. Yes, I have an elongated cylindrical body and can roll into the circle. Okay. I have two pairs of legs in each segment. What is? I have elongated cylindrical body and can roll into the circle. I have two pairs of legs each segment. Yes, it is very simple because there is the picture of that creature. Okay. Second one, listen here. I am a carnivorous arthropod, animals with jointed legs and having segmented body, who has an elongated body and a pair of legs in each segment. Yes. Please read it carefully more than twice. Okay, more than 2 or 3 times, then it will be very simple to find out. Okay. Next one, third one, please look the picture. I am a better known as the farmer's friend. Natures on pluff. I help to convert the organic waste to the vermicompost. Yes, it is very important in our farming. It is the friend of farmers. Yes, what is the name of that creature? Fourth one, I live in your house. Yes, I escape from the clutches of my enemies by cutting off my tail. I escape from the enemies. Yes, you know. Then fifth one, please listen here. The correct answers, correct names are given below. The last part of the page help box, there is the correct name, you have to find out. Okay, fifth one, I catch insects using my sticky tongue. Sticky tongue. I can change my skin color. I can change my skin color. What is this? Yes, to remain unnoticed by predators. Okay, unnoticed by predators. So, to attack the enemies, to get the food, it changes its skin color. Okay, who is this? Sixth one, I live with my friends in big colonies. I live with my friends in big colonies. I may eat away your wooden furniture and books. Your books and your wooden furniture, your door or window, whatever may be, it may, if it is made of wood, then it will eat. I never come out of my colony. I never come out of my colony. Who is this? Yes. Then seventh one, I am a social insect. I am a social insect and I feed on nectar and pollen. Nectar and pollen. I work hard all day to give your honey. I work hard all day, not at night, but all day to give you honey. Yes, honey. It will give the names. Okay, what is this? The name? What is the name of that creatures? Last one. I use a trap pit for catching my prey. I use a trap pit for catching my prey. I am the larva of flying insect. I am the larva of a flying insect. Who is this? You have to find out. Okay. Please find out the correct answer and send me. I will correct it. I will clear your doubts. Okay. Let us see again in the next class. Thank you very much for your watching our videos. Assalamu alaikum.